What am I doing with this? What are you doing, little chicken butts? Well, as soon as I get it right, somebody comes. So I gotta. Well, shout out to my man Ty. Ty, I love you, brother. But we got to relocate that sign. And that's what I'm going to start on today. I'm going to go out there and start digging out around the concrete. Tell you what, my man, he built you a solid sign, dude. Really pumped for that. Give me a holler. I shot you a text. Not sure if you got phone service where you're at right now. But get in touch with me, man. I got some ideas. And now, what do we got to do first? Well, get to work with the shovel. Got to go out there and, well, dig some holes. You know, it's just part of the deal. Part of being a mayor of Tube Town. You know what I mean? It's just kind of the way it is. So let's go dig some holes. Okay. Once again, got some really cool ideas. They're going to be happening with this, but we need to get it moved. Oh, look at that. You guys can't even see it, can you? There you go. Let's see. So my idea is I'm going to go ahead and dig out all around it. Then I'm going to get Hulk, get underneath down here and down there where it's lagged in, and then kind of pop it up. That's the idea. That's what I'm thinking I'm going to be able to do, but we'll find out. Concrete's or roots? I think roots. I heard the mayor was out helping the other mayor the other day. It's pretty boring watching me dig, huh? All right, hold on. Not when I do it like this. And Ty, it's deep in there. Whew. Holy moly. It's a lot easier with post hole diggers, I'm sure. I'm thinking it should be deep enough. Like a Hulk. Oh. That's concrete. Well, it's looked like I'm gonna need Hulk. And a lot of luck. Well, I'm gonna have to definitely get Hulk because I'm gonna be here for a bit with a shovel. We'll go ahead and get Hulk, and then we'll try and pop that bad boy loose. Don't do it. Oh, gotcha. I'll be back to finish you. Check this out. I was going to leave, and it looks like somebody put a new sign up here. That's right. Just another day in paradise, baby. It's Tube Town, baby. Here I come, Hulk. We're gonna see if Hulk can get that sign up. Oh, there you are, Hulk. There. Oh, that's where my towel went. What are you doing, little chicken butts? Look at them all. That's funny. Oh, I gotta get this claw off here because I need to get the bucket. So get the claw off, put the bucket on, see if we can pop the sign up very gently. And I'll explain to you when I get there why I think I can do it that way. So let's pop these pins. It's time for Mr. Sign to meet Mr. Hawk. Oh yeah. There's a tree that, well, Jeremy didn't get done. Total destruction at the ranch. Oh, pigman. So I've made it down here. As I said, I started digging it out, and I think that side's concrete, I'm pretty sure. The reason why I'm hoping he's got a lag bolt down there, nothing there, lag bolt here, then he's got this lag bolt to that. And then, you know, if I can get under the post, it'd be good, but unfortunately, I'm just gonna have to see what happens here. What do you think? Leave a comment. Is it gonna crack? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Y'all didn't see the fancy maneuvering I was doing over your head. But yeah, ultimately I'm gonna slide it right in. I'll get on this post and hope for the best. You guys let me know, holler if it's holler if something starts to crack. I guess you guys won't really know. No way to find out, nothing to it but to do it. What? I'm on this side. I need to get on both sides. I need to readjust. Son of a gun, I got this one but not the other one. Need to readjust a little more. Yeah, I need to get like that more. All right, I'm there. Well, as soon as I get it right, somebody comes, so I gotta move the tractor. Just my luck. Right when I get it ready to go, a car pulls up. Let's try it again. Straight. Nope. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up the tractor, on the tractor, up the tractor, on the tractor. Okay, we got it. Both of them are there. We're underneath it now. Now it's time to see if it's gonna hold up. Ty, I'm being gentle as I can, man. I'm being as gentle as I can. Fingers crossed. Got it? Wow. Oh. I think I got it. Stay there, buddy. Stay there. No, don't fall. Don't fall. Good job, Ty. Holy, it's just heavy. So I'm gonna need to get the chain. This is gonna fall and crush the mare the way it sits right now. So yeah, I'm hoping I'll keep it from falling that way, but the problem is it's gonna come back this way, so hopefully it'll come back easy. We'll just kind of easy does it. So I guess all I can say, all I can do. Oh man. This at least hopefully keep from falling backwards. Man, Ty, you had it down in there, bud. Okay. And once I need to back up a little bit, take some of that tension off. Flip out and smack. See that right there? Hopefully y'all can see that. So yeah, I'm gonna try and push it down a little bit. Actually, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do just yet. I'm hoping I can get that to come and rest back here. But I don't know. Maybe I'll just lay it down. Or should I just chance it and see what happens? I know it's gonna happen. All right, let's don't do that. Oh, that thing is heavy. You gotta get out of the road. Blocking the road. Oh, great. Yeah. Give me a second. I'm gonna take the tension off of it. I'm gonna back up, see what happens. Oh, there it is. Caught right there in that thing. Oh! Well, let's see if we can move it. One casualty. I was planning on it to pop out a little easier, but it didn't. So, oh, sweating. Trying my best. So it didn't break, but we can still put it on. All right, got it up. Ow, now I gotta move it. I need my sweat towel. So I'm hoping I can probably wrap it, make like a hoist point, pick it up, And I got the key to Tubetown. All right, well, let me just get this out the way. Don't really know what I'm gonna do here, but we're gonna figure it out. First, I gotta get the key to Tubetown. So I'm gonna try and go ahead and, like I said, do some sort of funky chain wrap and see if I can get it to where it'll work. Oh, there you go. Whew, man, what a workout. So we're gonna try and pick it up now. Now I can wrap it. Well, if I can reach it. Son of a gun. A little short. Is it gonna go high enough? Come on, Hulk. Think we can do it. Holy moly. It's not too bad a shape either. But I need a drink, need a sweat towel, need everything. Well, I'm guessing you ran out of concrete on this side, huh? Oh, okay. So I'm gonna pull up and I'm gonna back in with it so I don't have to worry about it hitting anything. And that's how I'm gonna do that. Get up, get up. Got the mailbox. Got the birdhouse. Oh. Got the birdhouse. I moved the birdhouse. Okay. Now the question is, where am I going to put it? Where did I put you guys? Oh, you're way out there.